Hello everyone. Today we will continue the same chapter, chapter 2, fraction and decimal. In the last week we have finished fraction. Today we will start decimal. This topic we have already learned about in 6th class. So let's start. What is decimal? You know all about whole numbers. Numbers like 4, 76 or 532 and so on. In 532 there are 2 ones, 3 tens and 5 hundreds. What about a number like 532.19? This is a decimal. A decimal is just a number that has a decimal point. Do you see the decimal point in 532.19? It's the period in the middle of the number. The numbers to the left of the decimal point represent ones, tens and hundreds. As before, the numbers to the right of the decimal points are tens and hundreds. So what? 532.19. Here the ones value is 2, the tens value is 3, the hundreds value is 5. It's a before decimal. Now the after decimal, tens 1 and hundreds 9. As before, we have 5 hundreds, 3 tens and 2 ones. But now we have some new digits, 1 tens and 9 hundreds. You can say this number as 532 and 19 hundreds, or we can say that 532.19. The number 532.19 lie between the two whole number 532 and 533. Now we can take one more example. The number is 43.2. Here before decimal the ones is 3, the tens is 4 and the after decimal the tens is 2. Now we can say that 4 tens, 3 ones and 2 tens, or 43.2. The number 43.2 lie between two whole number 43 and 44. Some decimals are smaller than 1. These decimals start with a 0 to show that there is nothing before the decimal point. 0.24. You can say this number as 24 hundreds or 0.24. Here the ones value is 0. After decimal the tens value is 2 and the hundreds value is 4. The number 0.24, it's lie between 0 and 1. Tens and hundreds are part of 1. If you divide 1 into 10 equal parts, each one is a tenth. If you divide 1 into 100 equal parts, each one is a hundredth, and so on. Summary: a decimal is just a number that has a decimal point. The numbers to the right of the decimal point are tens and hundreds. Tens and hundreds are part of 1. If you divide 1 into 10 equal parts, each one is a tenth. If you divide 1 into 100 equal parts, each one is a hundredth, and so on. Some decimals are smaller than 1. These decimals start with a 0 to show that there is nothing before the decimal point. Now, in decimal, we will learn addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and also comparison of decimals. So, wait for next video.